Hello and welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Today is Tuesday, July 27th, 2021. And we're very excited today because, as you can see, Bitcoin has managed to remain above this diagonal resistance line. Yesterday, we were able to close above it, which I told you was going to be very, very important. And today, we also managed to close above that price, closing at $39,000. RSI continues to increase, and even though we've reached levels that we haven't seen in quite a while, you know that the RSI can continue to increase and go into oversold territory. If we zoom in on the 4 hour, we can see that Bitcoin basically tapped the top line of resistance at $40,000, and then we corrected as expected. We probably went a little bit further due to the Amazon news that Amazon confirmed that they were not going to be accepting Bitcoin this year, and they were very specific about this year. So maybe they're going to accept it in the future. But since that time, Bitcoin corrected and has managed to recover and push the price up back to $39,000. As you can clearly see, Bitcoin has moved from the bottom of the range to the top of this range. And what can we expect next? It would be good if Bitcoin can consolidate below this range, because that would mean that it could probably gain the strength in the next few days to break out of this resistance, retest, and then we could continue on our journey to 100,000K. That would also mean that Bitcoin has made a higher high and a new higher low. If you believe that Bitcoin is still bearish and you want to take a shot at shorting, this would be the best area to do it, because you could enter in positions around these levels and then place your stop losses here, okay? But right now, Bitcoin is really showing positive signs. Volume is starting to pick up, and if we consolidate here and people start to prepare for shorts, we could get another short squeeze, so Bitcoin could benefit from that. Okay, so this is not a great position to enter new longs. If you wanted to enter a new longs, I would wait for a consolidation here or breakout and retest, and then you long. Let's go to Ethereum now. Ethereum on the 4 hour also looks very good. Remember what we talked about yesterday? We said that Ethereum had broken through this layer of resistance, but it wasn't sustainable, and we came down. And look at where we came down. The previous area that had been acting as resistance was now acting as support. We bounced from there, and right now we're being rejected at $2,324, which is the level that Ethereum has to break to continue increasing in price. Right now, we're kind of like consolidating on the resistance, so that's positive for Ethereum. In terms of the fear and greed, we're finally moving up. We're at 32, still in fear territory. So even though we've had this increase, this appreciation in price of Bitcoin of approximately $9,000, the market is still fear. In terms of the alt, we saw that the alts had we saw that the alt kind of ran off, but they corrected down to the level that we expected, and since then they're bounced. I expect them to continue to slowly rise until they get close to this area of resistance, and then they will probably pop off. I'm going to show you some of the alt chart I'm watching. This is Dogecoin. We can see that it double bottom and it's starting to slowly improve its price, but it seems like a nice place to get in because it broke a resistance and it's breaking through DMAs, and the RSI is starting to curl up. And the same goes for a lot of these altcoins. You can pause the video and take a look at the chart. Solana is one of the ones that I think that it's still going to continue to consolidate around this $24, $25 level before it can continue to rise. A lot of them are facing key resistance levels, but if they break out, they're going to appreciate in price very, very quick. And I have lots of them, so I'm just going to end this video here. What's very important is that, as I said, a lot of these alts corrected 80, 90%. So this is the best time or the second best time to buy alt if you didn't buy them in 2020 after the coronavirus crash, or maybe even November before the alt started running. Those were the two best times in the past, and I think that this second or third best time to buy alt again for a future run up. Because remember, if Bitcoin runs, the altcoins are also going to run heavy with the rest of the crypto market. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day.